We're gonna start this fun project with large brush. We're gonna dip it in yellow paint and we'll create a large oval in the middle of the artwork. Now we can cover everything in yellow around the oval. Next, we'll switch to a medium-sized brush and red paint. We'll start by creating a straight line and then we'll outline Ladybug below this line. Now we're gonna paint it in. Next, we'll wipe our brush and dip it in black paint. We'll outline the rest of the oval using black paint. Now we're gonna paint it in. Now we'll create a straight vertical line splitting red part of Ladybug in two equal halves. Next, we'll paint 3 straight lines on one side of the Ladybug and 3 straight lines on the other side. Now we can paint 2 black circles on one side of the Ladybug and 2 black circles on the other side. Next, we'll paint 2 antennas using black paint and medium-sized brush. First, we'll create 2 straight lines and then we'll add 2 small circles on top of each line. After washing and wiping your brush, you can dip it in white paint to create 2 white circles on Ladybug's face. We're gonna switch to a smaller brush to paint small black circle inside of each white circle. After washing and wiping your brush, you can dip it in white paint. We will add 2 white dots in each eye. Our final step is to sign your name in the corner. Don't forget to like and subscribe.